Welcome to the final episode of Nepal Drive's Grease Monkey Mondays, powered by Gulf Lubricants. In this episode, we'll guide you through the process of starting a car with a dead battery. And to guide you through this, we have our head mechanic from Suzuki Service Center, Mr. Rajan Tungana. Did you forget to turn the headlights off when you left your car again? Now the battery is dead and you can't get it to start. Well, here's how to get your car started again, without the use of jumper cables. You will need one or two friends, and a vehicle with manual transmission. Step 1. Turn your ignition to the on position. Step 2. Press the clutch firmly to the floor and put the car into gear. The second gear is where it is most likely to get the smoothest start. Step 3. Have your friends push the car until you've achieved a considerable rolling speed of around 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Step 4. Once the car is rolling at the desired speed, pull your left foot off the clutch abruptly. That will connect the engine's crankshaft to the spinning wheels through the transmission and force the engine to begin turning. Step 5. Don't turn off the engine immediately. Let it run for around 15 to 30 minutes so the alternator gets a chance to recharge the battery sufficiently. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Grease Monkey Mondays. Subscribe to our channel for more automotive content from Nepal. Also, hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos.